Good evening to Dr. Shariman and my dear friends. So in this video, I'm going to present about my project, which is a mini project for Electromagnet. And in this slide is what I've come up with, which is the DIY mini train. These are the table of contents. We start off with the introduction of my project, as well as the apparatus. Then we'll discuss with the working principle and the results of the experiment. Finally, we'll go on with the discussion and the conclusion. So for the introduction, my name is Dwayne Morin. I'm not Justin. I'm a first semester student of AT12 ISMP Physics. And I'm going to explain just a little bit about my project here, which is the DIY mini train, which uses the concept of magnetic field lines to push the steel ball. So the apparatus that I've used in this experiment is enameled copper wire with a diameter of 0.64 millimeters, 9 volts of battery, steel ball, hot glue gun, meter ruler, and PVC pipe. So we'll talk about the working principles next. According to Maxwell's right-hand grip rule, when the conductor is held in the right hand, the direction of the thumb points in the direction of the current. Meanwhile, the curled fingers will give us the direction of the magnetic field lines. And next, we'll proceed to the result of the experiment. So in the beginning of the experiment, when the steel ball is placed at the origin, it's on stationary and does not move. But when it's released to the rail and pushed towards the coil, it is observed that no movement is observed throughout the experiment. All right, so we'll go on with the discussion. So one of the possible errors that I've come up with for the experiment is the enamel layer on the copper wire is not scraped off properly. Secondly, the battery used is not enough, has not enough voltage. And thirdly, a thin and long wire is used. So the precaution steps that I've come up with to overcome the possible errors are to scrape off the enamel layer of the copper wire in order to avoid short circuit. And with respect to the copper wire, I found out that using copper wire with larger diameter and shorter length is better in order to reduce the resistance. And in conclusion, fortunately, the experiment is unsuccessful. However, the concept of magnetic field and Maxwell's right-hand grip rule is demonstrated and applied.